over the festive season, we land up spending time with people, with family, with friends, in situations where sometimes we get triggered. Our buttons get pushed and we find ourselves overreacting, a really strong emotional reaction to a situation or a person, a friend, a family member. We find ourselves maybe saying something or acting in a way that is quite out of character, and it's almost like we can't help it. Our buttons get pushed, we get triggered by people and situations, and especially over the festive season when we find ourselves with people or in situations where maybe we just find it difficult. Well, if you can relate, the good news is that my friend Tess and I have put together a festive toolkit that will empower you with tools and ways of responding that are more useful and skillful, so that we can be in a situation and take care of ourselves and not get so triggered and reactive. My name is Giulia and I'm a life coach. And I remember many years ago, I used to get really triggered in family situations around the festive season where there was a lot of food. I grew up in an Italian household, and in that beautiful situation, love equaled food and food equaled love. And so I would get triggered when there's all this food around and this pressure to eat, and sort of like a negative feedback if I wasn't eating all this delicious food, and where my no wasn't really honored. I would get really, really triggered and find myself feeling frustrated, angry, and just really constricted and contracted. I wish I had some tools then that I have now that really help me when I get triggered or when my buttons get pushed. I have learned ways to respond where I am more centered, calm, and less reactive. So if this speaks to you and you're interested, Tess and I are having a webinar. It's free in October. And if you're interested, click the link below for more information.